Welcome to the Jamwest Speedway. Meet number 2 on its way. As you can see, cleanup has started. We have some exciting news. I want to thank Jamwest for having us. You know, this meet is Jamwest with the JRDC we're doing together as part of our five race meet calendar for the year, and it's exciting. We have all the big guns will be out for this one. We have Jamie James.
Listen up, in excess of $50,000 all legal fees for both JRDC and JMMC. See, we have the JRDC president here. Now witness. Alright.
Make one nigga now.
But throw in the ring and say, boy, I'm back in. Understand? So he will defend the turf. We have him here, back. Simmer, local bike rider, come out and support him. You know, he's a former champion of Dover, but on his home pitch we want to see if they can outride him here. We have the rivalry that's going on. If you miss meet one, the Alan Gordon rivalry is at fever pitch.
No, let me ask you this, Juna, right? Because this is Alan's home turf, the Jamwest Evolution 10. Now, how do you think this battle going to end? I mean, this dog versus, and now Jamie is in the mix. So, you know, that MP4 battle. Well,
it is heating up to be the one of the classes to watch. Alan, I've never lost here.
Wow.
Right, and he wants to keep that record.
All right.
Doug is very fast here. He did some testing years back, and we don't know if the car is at the same form.
Right.
But Alan is doing upgrades.
Right.
And he's very excited to see the youthful exuberance and the experience.
All right.
Doug is leading the championship, so Alan would have to fight. And we're here back to back.
All right.
After this meeting number 2, we have MP1 champion Ricardo Scott.
Yes.
You know, he's from down here. He had some computer issues. He's fixed up to come back. That battle, he's not leading the championship. And then you have the red versus the yellow.
Yeah.
I don't have much to say on that one, but
If you know.
If you know, you know. The war is the war of all wars.
Yeah, man. Definitely. I'd love to see them on this track. That Tommy versus Nicholas battle. I'd definitely love to see them on this track, which is the fastest circuit track in the Caribbean.
It is, and it was built for Hondas. You know, it's a Honda track. You have a C101 Toyota, but don't forget the very fast Demar Lee. I'm expecting a lot from Demar this time out. He had some car issues, but the car is very, very fast.
Well,
and I think anybody who's going to play spoiler to Nicholas and Tommy would be him.
Okay.
It's just whenever he decides to show up. I know that it's a spoon-built motor, and you know, since we gave him that name, Ocean Speed Factory, it's gone. It's gone. Big up Ocean Speed Factory. Other competitors, we're looking forward for it to come out early. It's a 2-day event.
Yes. May 21st.
May 21st.
And 20th.
And 20th and the 21st.
Right.
Yes, when you come out, we'll be qualifying and testing on the 20th, and we'll be racing. Come early. We want to come out and race early so we can early, because logistically, people have to go back to their respective home, work the next day.
Right.
So we want to come out and enjoy Jamwest again after been that long hiatus.
2019.
2019.
Wow.
It's nice to come back to enjoy here.
Yeah.
You see in the background, we started to clean the track. This is just what our plan is a 3-part series. We're gonna sweep the track, we're gonna water the track, we're gonna blow the track, and we're gonna continue. We have had rain for the last couple of days, so the track is basically clean. 70%, but the work has started.
All right.
I want to say shout out to all our sponsors, all our fans that come to Jamwest and keep in tune. 876 Street, you can tune in the JRDC page and now the Jamwest page. We're working together.
Wheels on fire.
Yes, wheels on fire. Don't miss this one.
All right.
All the fans, come out.
Roll out.
We have surprise for you.
All right.
All right?
Yeah, man. Big up, Judah.
Respect.
All right.
876 Street.
Every time.